Bring it back because we know it's mainly mop and oil. Thank you. How? Now let's buy her prints, yeah. So this is Nigerian.
No, this is foreign.
Okay, this is foreign.
Nigerian.
So why is Nigerian on white and foreign?
So that's the thing. And
So which one is better?
so look at this one.
We have to go
It's
in that
foreign.
busy.
Just shift now. Not be you I want. You want stay for my camera, you know? Okay. Happy? Back because we know this is at least that's why we always make sure we buy stuff from a walk-in shop, not ordering online. Ready? Yes. This is periwinkle, and this is the why wasn't I talking this whole time? This is periwinkle mixed with freaking water leaf. open it, and now I'm stirring it. Ugu. Adding the ugu. Then last, smoked Titus fish. More crayfish. Finally, more palm oil. Last, palm oil. We stir and mix everything together. Cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes.